favorite raisin. To all my cousins, squirrels getting so deranged. I'm with my homie. Cold night, when it's cold at night, and my soul and ice. Gotta be when I'm holding tight, and I hold the lights. Get a poltergeist, but we'll hear. I'm with my homie here.
I don't think you wanna get rich. There's no they upset the level with your gate. Nah, you can't take a loss like that. Off that. I don't think you want.
Vai pensar aqui. Com a sua face, tudo que eu pedisse, só você que me desse. Aí pensando desse esse quarto fala.
Till I die, rockin' that wine and gold till I die. Till I die, in the hood I'm good till I die. CLE till I die. Everywhere I go putting on, putting on, putting on. Everywhere I go putting on, putting on, putting on. Everywhere I go putting on, putting on, putting on. Everywhere I go putting on, putting on. What you want?
In between eating the Apple Jacks, he's crazy. And he want my spot. I'm gonna find him though. I'm gonna sign him. I don't want no problems.
Your mind. Hey dummy, this no accident, all of this was designed. Took my time, kick a crack from behind, and I opened up your blinds, rise and shine. Cold world, same used to drop.
With the first pick in the NBA draft, the Brooklyn Nets select the 21-year-old shooting guard from the University of Oklahoma. With the second pick in the NBA draft, the Philadelphia 76ers select Ben Simmons from Louisiana State University.
mention. Baller convention, free admission. Can move swift.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah. And they
on the verse, cause I never been defeated and I won't stop now. Keep your hands up, get them in the sky for the homies that ain't making it and my folks locked down. I never went nowhere, what they saying, loot is back. Blame it on that, the hood call it looting. And I'm on this foolish track, so I spit my foolish flow. My hands go up and down, like go. My verses still be serving, tight like a million. This last time on a college remix, now I'm on the original version. Can't never count me out, y'all better count me in. Got 20 bank accounts, accountants count me in. Make millions every year, the South
Braun to take the lead. Oh, off target. A second chance effort. Can't cash in. Good!
Really strong rebounding on the interior, and he gets the easy putback.
Oh, the all-or-nothing shot. No good. So it's Philadelphia taking the W in a close one here. People were writing their obituary.
동전한 입조차 쉽고 일 없어 잠 못 들던 그때보다 조금은 일었어 우리는 바보처럼 몸으로 부딪히면서 배웠어 넘어질 때만 식재료 썰듯 안 하면 하루는 순서가 뒤섞인 음식처럼 망가져 지쳐도 경계하네 공허와 허무 불안감 속에서 상기하네 15년 전 빈 털터리의 여유 억울하 해도 I was the friendship list She needed me to talk So blame it on the night Sorry, baby. Yeah. I got to fail. Not even if I need to ride to the next village. Not if I need to cross country. Yeah, you know how we and I can't quit, all I know is I close my eyes on the dance floor and forget about you. I lose myself in flashing colors. I've got to see it.
Do you recall not long ago when you would walk on the sidewalk? Innocent, remember? Oh, we
And here's Iverson outside. Oh, he got hacked on the three-pointer. He'll head to the line.
Checking out the game Allen Iverson is having. He's got 16 points and 2 steals.
Offensively, defensively, man, he has done it all.
All hustle, non-stop effort. He just doesn't quit. Great resilience and relentlessness in his play.
And the Thunder making a switch here. Durant's checked in. And so he's good on all 3 free throws. He dishes it to Adams. Here's Allen. Money! And what a cinch. 6 on the shot clock. And it's good. There it is. He ties the game. Westbrook's got 34.
They're having a lot of trouble dealing with Russell Westbrook. He's a handful.
Now Carter Williams. He kicks it to Simmons. Back to Carter Williams. The drive by Iverson. And 2 free throws coming up as he misses that one. Drawing the whistle and a lot of contact there.
All stops the dunk there. The best outcome in a bad situation.
You know, you don't like the foul, but if the alternative is giving up a dunk, it's an easy choice to make. I think it sets a tone for your defense around the rim. Make them earn it.
And they've done it. The new NBA champions. What a moment it is right now to see the team who played so well together enjoying, Clark, this NBA championship moment.
Well, Kevin, it's awesome to be here to witness what happened tonight.
And seeing this team come together over the course of the season and on into the playoffs, what a joy. I mean, there is no better champion the league could have asked for.
And a pleasure here at 2K Sports to be with you all season long. Good night, everyone.
This, I realize this. Respect this here. Check. I'm from where the hammers rung, news cameras never come. You and your man's hung in every verse in your rhyme. Where the was slung, vanish every summer. Where the blue vans would come, we throw the work in the can and run. Where the plans were to get funded, skate up the set to achieve this goal quick.